Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a creamy avocado salmon salad. This is going to be good, y'all. Let's get into it. Remember, all exact amounts and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Alright, let's start with the salmon. First of all, we're going to go ahead and use the store-bought salmon. This is a lot quicker, makes the recipe go by a lot faster. If you want to cook your own, you can. I use the variety of the smoke and the regular pink salmon, but it's up to you. Alright, moving on. Go ahead and put your salmon in a bowl and drain the water off it like I didn't do. If you forget this part, it really won't hurt the recipe, but it also won't hurt it if you do it. So just keep in mind of that. Alright, let's start cutting up our vegetables. First you want to start by getting yourself roughly about 3 sticks of celery. And you can just go ahead and cube those, pretty much like I'm doing right here in the video. Let's go ahead and get those cubed up. If you like more celery, you can use more, but that'll be completely up to you. Alright, let's get out about 1/4 of an onion. Let's go ahead and cut this down and dice it into the small pieces. Same applies for the onion. I love onions. If you don't love onions so much, or if you don't love it at all, you don't have to put it in there. It's completely up to you. Go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of walnuts. You don't have to use walnuts. You can use any kind of nut that you want. Pecans, whatever you like. Next, let's get out an avocado. Let's go ahead and cut this in half and get it into pieces. Alright, let's go ahead and cut up some cilantro. This is optional, you don't have to add this, but I like adding it, so you can add it if you like. Alright, go ahead and add your avocado to the bowl, and about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Guys, that's to keep it from browning. It keeps the avocado from browning, making the salad stay fresh a lot longer. Go ahead and add in your pepper, salt, and any other seasons you desire that you like. Bend it to your palate, guys. It's completely up to you. This here is about 3 tablespoons of ground mustard, but you can use whatever mustard you like. Okay guys, we're at the home stretch. Let's go ahead and get everything well mixed and incorporated. Also guys, this is a great salad for people who don't like mayonnaise. I am not a big mayonnaise fan, so that's kind of why I came up with this salad. I like it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.